Hi, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, we will be looking at HTML links. Let's master the A tag. Introduction. Ever wondered how you jump from one website to another or even to a different section on the same page? It's all thanks to one fundamental yet incredibly powerful HTML element, the link. In this video, we are diving deep into the words of HTML links. The A tag, and I promise by the end of this, you will not only understand how to create basic links, but you will also be using advanced techniques like link to specific sections, opening new tabs, and even triggering emails or phone calls, all with one simple HTML. Get ready to supercharge your web pages. The foundational A tag. At its core, the HTML is created using anchor tag, which is A itself. Think of it as your web page's superpower. For connection, the A tag needs two main things, the href attribute, which specifies the destination, and the text or the content that the user will click on. So basic links look like this. Let me show this to you in action. I will copy this. The href tells the browser where to go, and the click me is the user sees and interacts with. It's the simplest way to navigate the vast web. Let me show you how. Let's go into my editor. I will create a new file and I will call this anchor.html, and let's save this as .html or htm and then create file. Let's go ahead and put a title here, anchor, and let's build a tag. This is how your A tag looks. Okay. And the other one that we already saw an example is this one. This is where the website will go. For example, let me go ahead and make this go to my blog or something similar. I will show you. For example, if you want the user to go to this particular link, when the button is clicked, when the A tag is clicked, you will do that and it goes there. Let me show you how. Let's open this web page now. It's in desktop. If we go to the desktop and then if we look at the HTML1 folder, we have the anchor. So as you can see, whatever you write between the A tags is displayed on the page. Here we have written between the closing A and opening A, we have written click me, because of which click me is being displayed. If I click on it, it goes to my blog. As you can see, it went to my blog. That is the target attribute or href attribute. Okay. Now, did you understand this? Well, let's go further and explore this more. The reference tells the browser where to go. In this case, we used viral verb as example, and click me is what you do. You can change that too. Let me show you how. You can just say, instead of click me, you can say go to viral verb, and this is how it will look on the website. It says go to viral verb. When you click on it, it goes to the next page, which is linked in the A tag. Okay. Next, the href attribute is your destination guide. This is concept 2. The href attribute is arguably the most critical part of the link. It dictates the link destination. There are two primary types of paths you will use. The absolute path, this is where your full URLs including HTTPS, HTTP, HTTPS youtube.com. You use these when you are linking to an external site. Like we just did, we linked to an external site. Here, we put the HTTPS attribute inside the href. You should put it within the double quotes. That you should remember. Okay? Okay, wonderful. Now, the relative paths, these are used for linking to other pages or resources within the same website. For example, about, let me show you how this is in the same folder. Okay. As your current page, you will link to about.html. Let me show you how to do this. This is a little trickier. I have to create a new page over here. What I will do is I will create a new file. I will save this as HTML. I will just call this about.html about, and I will save this. Here, I will just title it about, and here I will just put a h1 tag about us, and I will just add a paragraph, and this time what I will do is I will put this tag about.html about us, and you will see that it will go to that link. Let me reload the page and show you how it looks. It is coming in the same area because we didn't do a break there. Let's add a break or a horizontal ruler. I will do a break for now. And then this is how it looks. About us, if I click on it, it goes to that page, which is relative path. Understood? What is the difference between the relative path and absolute path? Okay, wonderful. We didn't put any HTML, HTTPS over there. Did you see that? Because the about.html is in the same folder. Okay, wonderful. Now to the concept 3. Opening the new window, target blank. Target blank is the attribute. Sometimes you want to link to an open new browser tab or window, especially when linking to external site. So the users don't leave your page entirely. This is where the target attribute comes in. Specifically target underscore blank. Just add it to your a tag, a and when the user clicks the link, it opens in the fresh tab, keeping the original page open in the background. The only difference is this, guys. Target equals underscore blank. I will show you how. Clicks through the link, it opens to the fresh tab, keeping the original page in the background. A quick pro tip for security and performance when using target is equals to blank. Always add rel no opener, no referrer to your link. This is a pro tip like this. It is the best practice for good measure. You might have not seen this, so I will show you how. Now, this page should open in a new page. So I will just say target is equals to underscore blank. And now, before I add any more tags or complicate this, I will show you what happens. When I click on About Us, it opens in the new page. That is the use of target is equals to blank attribute. Target attribute, if you write underscore blank between the brackets, it opens in the new page. And now to the pro tip, and this you might have never seen anywhere, which is this. Rel is equals to no open, no referrer. What this will do is